I'll probably get dinged for the Rammstein song because it's copyrighted, but I changed the when I first put this together and bought it, I bought one of these couplers, you know, the nylon, and it's not really worn out. But then I broke a belt tensioner, and after that, everyone clatter, 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 and it's a supercharger belt rattle. So I got that all apart, and I got the pulley off. I got new bearings. I got the clip off, and I got to watch a video on how to press that out because I don't want to have to replace that seal if I don't have to. I still need to weld that one runner. It didn't puncture the. I've got an epoxy liner on the inside. It didn't puncture that, so that wasn't the vacuum leak. So, but it's nice to know there's a crack in that, so I can fix that and just weld a little at a time without melting that epoxy off the inside. Let it cool off.